The holiday season is here, and I want to share with you a great recipe to have for this time of year. Hey guys, it's Holly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. Today, I am back in the kitchen because I want to share with all of you a simple to make, delicious, make ahead breakfast that is so great to have this time of year. And that is my maple pecan baked French toast. This recipe is great to have for those busy holiday mornings that you want to have a fun breakfast but don't want to spend a lot of time making it. You can make it the day before and the next morning really just pop it in the oven. It is great to have for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Day. It's wonderful as well to have with all the out-of-town company that you're going to be hosting. And you want to have some fun breakfast to offer them, but you know, you don't want to get up in the morning and be making all this stuff. Make ahead breakfasts are so great to have where you do the work the day before and you get a lot of time off in the morning to just sit and enjoy your cup of coffee. Let's get into the kitchen right now as I share with you this delicious maple pecan baked French toast. Here is all the ingredients I will be using: 1 loaf of French bread, chopped pecans, 8 large eggs, milk, maple syrup, pure vanilla extract, sea salt, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, butter, and brown sugar. To get started, first I'm going to grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Then I'm going to be cutting up my French bread into cubes. Now I like to use bread that is a couple days old. It slices up really well and overall it soaks up that egg mixture just right. So you'll want to go with some bread that is a little bit older before it goes bad, that is. Next I'm going to take my bread cubes and I'm going to put them into my greased baking pan. Making sure my bread cubes are well spread out all over my baking pan. Next, I'm going to take 1 cup of chopped pecans and pour them over my bread cubes, making sure I get every area covered. Then I'm going to put together my egg mixture. I'm going to be adding 8 large eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Along with that, I will add 2 cups of milk. Now, I use 2% milk, but you can use whatever kind of milk you prefer. First, making sure all my yolks are broken up. Then I will whisk together the milk and eggs. Next, I will add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Then 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then I will whisk together all my wet ingredients here and then pour the whole mixture on top of my bread cubes. Filling every spot with the mixture. Make sure every part of your bread is well soaked. Once I've added the egg mixture, then I'm going to cover the dish with saran wrap and refrigerate it overnight or at least up to 6 hours. When it's time to bake, I will preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I'm going to put together the topping. The topping will include 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of butter. I use cold butter, slice it up so that way it makes a better crumble topping. Then I add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything together, continuing to make a good crumble topping. Get my bake out of the refrigerator and spread the crumble topping all over it. Once I get the topping all spread out and my oven is at 350 degrees, I'm going to take some aluminum foil and cover up the bake to cook it for the first 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooking is up, I will take it out, take the foil off, and let it cook for another 25 minutes uncovered. Once that time is up, you can see how golden brown my French toast bake is. Look at how delicious this turned out. It is nice and toasted. It poofed up in the beginning. Once it cools off a little, it will go down a bit, but I usually give it a good 15 minutes before I slice it up and serve it. You can see how it went down when it cooled. I'm going to go ahead, slice it up here, and show you just how delicious this looks inside. It is such a tasty breakfast. And we like to add additional maple syrup on top. It does have a slight maple syrup flavor already, but of course, it's even better to add some more. You can also add powdered sugar to the top if you like. But there you have it. There is my maple pecan baked French toast. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.